Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cam a Chrysler 300. First, ensure you have the right tools and a clean workspace. You'll need to safely lift the vehicle and drain the coolant and oil. Next, remove the intake manifold and valve covers to access the cylinder heads. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth installation process. Proper organization saves time and prevents errors during this complex modification. Now let's get into the engine. After removing the front accessories, you'll expose the timing chain cover. Carefully remove it, then detach the timing chain and gears. Next, remove the rocker arms and push rods, keeping them organized. Finally, gently slide out the old camshaft, ensuring not to damage the cam bearings. This step requires precision and patience to avoid costly mistakes. With the old cam out, it's time for the upgrade. Thoroughly lubricate your new camshaft with assembly lube before carefully sliding it into place. Reinstall the timing chain and gears, ensuring proper timing marks align perfectly. Then, reattach the push rods and rocker arms, torquing all bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications. Double-check everything before proceeding to the next steps. After reassembling everything, refill your engine with fresh oil and coolant. Perform a thorough check for any loose connections or forgotten tools. Then, it's time for the moment of truth, the initial engine startup. Listen for any unusual noises and check for leaks. Allow the engine to reach operating temperature, then take it for a gentle test drive. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.